Hey guys, Cody here with Import Image Racing. Thanks for checking out today's video. I know a lot of you guys were excited to hear the Noble exhaust, and most of you got to hear it on the WRX. However, you did not get to hear it on the STI yet. So, well, we don't really know what it sounds like with the Subi Rumble. And today we're gonna find out. We have a 2020 STI here, and we're gonna install our Noble titanium exhaust onto it and our Noble exhaust cover, and we're gonna hear how it sounds. So I'm gonna do a little time lapse installing this, and then we'll get some sound clips for you guys. So before we go ahead and get this thing installed, let's do a quick refresher for you guys. So if you're running the stock downpipe, you are going to need a 3-inch exhaust adapter such as the Grimspeed one. However, if you are an aftermarket downpipe, you will be okay. The car that we are installing this on is on the stock downpipe, so we're going to be installing the adapter to make this work. And obviously, it's not going to be quite as loud as some of your setups might be if you are running a aftermarket downpipe. Again, the exhaust weighs in around 10 pounds. That's including the hangers, the hardware, the clamps, everything. It's full titanium all the way through, 3 inches, coming out to a 4.5-inch tip. And the muffler is a fiberglass matted muffler as well. And it's competitively priced with the other brands on the market. So we did what we could to make it as cheap as we can for you guys, but still maintain a very high quality. And that's what sets this exhaust apart. And we wanted to make sure that this thing was gonna last and hold up for you guys. We are also gonna be installing the Noble exhaust cover. We offer those for both sides of the vehicle. So with all that said, I'm gonna go ahead and do this install so you guys can hear it. All right, guys, we have the Noble titanium exhaust installed now. Something you might want to note is I actually weighed the stock exhaust system off this STI from the catback. It weighed 46 pounds, and the Noble exhaust weighs in at 10 pounds. So we're shaving 36 pounds off this car, which is pretty nuts just for an exhaust system. But we're gonna drop this thing down on the ground, fire it up, get a cold start, and get some sound clips for you.